Minecraft is awesome!
Yeah, look, I'm driving as sharp as Minecraft looks. Now I'm just driving around in circles, look. No problem.
Hey, do you want to have a race to the end of this map?
Shoot, of course. What we waiting for? Let's go this way. Oh, no, it's this way. Or is it this way? McQueen, do you know where the end is? I'm a bit confused.
Well, I'm not sure exactly where, but the map has to end somewhere, right?
Probably.
Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's just drive straight through the biomes until we find it.
All right. But we could also just talk to this guy.
McQueen? McQueen!
Hey, what's up?
Hey, I was taking a nap. Oh, okay.
So let's find out.
Are you ready, Mater?
Shoot, yeah, I'm so fired up.
Me too. 3, 2, 1, go!
Straight through, huh?
Yeah, that didn't really work out as planned.
Kinda. But let's better jump over those next time. The dirt is way tougher than it looks.
McQueen!
Better not, that looked like it hurt.
Oh, you bad dirt.